Hey YouTube, it's Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with just a few announcements. One of the ACU announcements that we have, NS 7332 has its new cab on as of the other day. This post was went out about 4 days ago. Uh, it's getting ready to get its ACU upgraded out. I credit Altoona Works for this information. That's all the NS announcements I have, but on my phone I have a couple of Winchester and Western announcements. The GP9 811 and GP9M 732 have both been sold to the Black River and Western Railroad. Uh, I just credit Standard Gauge Railroad for that information, and those are off to their new home. Uh, don't have a lot of new stuff right now, but it's just a couple little small things that I wanted to go ahead and kind of take care of. Um, just don't know when the next rebuild is going to be released, but I will be following these sources to get as much information as I can. So anyway, just a short, quick announcement video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and check out my videos on YouTube. All right, thank you guys for watching. I'm Engineer Pat, and I'll see you next time.